despite the fact that I'm at equilibrium, not despite the fact, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to split this up into other containers so you can see what happens when I add the other chemicals. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to add calcium chloride. So calcium chloride. And what color should it turn?
Light.
Pink.
Blue.
Blue. Alright, let's do this. Who says pink?
Blue.
Who says blue?
Blue. Everyone else.
Alright. And
I told you to turn blue.
No.
can you guys see the color at the bottom already?
Yes.
Alright, so I'm going to let that dissolve for a little while. And help it, I'm going to give it a few stirs. But adding chloride ions should make it turn blue. Blue? And I think we can all agree that it's starting to get through the blue. Alright, so we'll let that dissolve a little more. And while we're waiting for that to go, why don't we do the next one? So, the next one I want to do is a little bit more difficult. This one can be tough to tell. The reason why it's tough to tell is it's with silver nitrate. Silver nitrate's very expensive, so I don't like to use a lot.
For the bottle. How much?
This bottle is about $80 to $100. It's not filled.
How much did it cost?
$80 to $100.
Jeez.
It's not that expensive.
It's about $1 a gram. Okay, so silver nitrate's going to remove your chloride ions. It's going to make a white precipitate. So I'm going to add this salt into here, and then you're going to see a white salt form at the bottom. What color should this turn?
Pink. Wait, what is this one?
I'm going to add more than that. Silver nitrate could stain your skin though, and so I want to be kind of careful when I get this in.
Oh.
$100.
Wow.
Make sure nobody touches the table. Okay.
What color can it stain your skin?
It turns black. I do it pretty frequently because I work with this in my lab, but
Can I do it?
no.
Is it that enough?
Use more and stay back when you do it.
It's hard to remove the chlorides, but can we see it turning pink a little?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to try and get as much out as I can. And, whoa. So, definitely I think we can start to see the blue color in this one now really well. And I can see a little bit of the pink color. At the bottom here is some silver nitrate, but I think most of that will dissolve. And then what I'm really seeing most of is silver chloride. So it's removed all the chloride ions and put them at the bottom so that they're out of solution. Or most of the chloride ions at least. Don't come near here now because I have silver nitrate everywhere.
What's the worst could happen?
Yeah.
Not this class.
Alright, let's move on to the next one. So, here's my silver nitrate.
Please excuse interruption. Rachel Elkins, Mr. Togo's office. Rachel Elkins.
The next one I'm going to do is I'm going to take silver nitrate and I'm just going to add, or not silver nitrate, the cobalt chloride complex, and I'm going to add water to it. What color should that turn?
I want to say pink.
Want to just get like lighter?
More dilute?
Yeah. Oh, never mind.
Okay, so that would be with the water. And that one's going to happen really quickly. Whenever I make this, I have to be really careful not to get any water in there. If I put a few drops in there, it gets really pink really quickly. Alright, and the last one. So the last one I'm just going to do on here, the last thing I want to add to this is some acetone, which is flammable, so we'll want to be careful near the flame.
So why is it on flaming if you know?
Blue.
I'll show you what I'm going to do with this later. So I'm going to pour out just a little bit. Where can you get acetone in your house? Nail polish remover. So if you ever have any cobalt chloride lying around.
And some styrofoam. I'm the same.
So, acetone, what color should it turn?
Blue. Yellow.
And right here. And this is really good about giving you that cobalt color that you see in jewelry a lot. It gives you a really nice royal dark blue. Maybe we should just try pouring. Oh, you guys can see that blue color, right?
No.
There we go. Forward. And we'll give it a quick stir. And you guys can probably smell the nail polish remover now. So there's your nice blue royal color. So 2 to turn it blue, 2 to turn it pink. And then what I want to do at the end is, there's not really much I can do with this, and I don't want to pour it down the drain. So what I like to do is I like to put it in little pipettes like this, and I'll keep them. And
I saw them on eBay.
you have to be careful because of the ethanol on there. But you just kind of get the plastic melting a little bit, on fire, and then squish. And that way when you heat it, it will just start rocketing now. It's causing you problems. So,
It smells like a candle.
you probably smell it.
Oh snap.
Oh,
Let's
snap.
take that.